Hi, my name is Thuy, and today I'm gonna share about one of the great inventions that has changed the human life. And that is definitely the air conditioning. Have you ever heard about the history of the air conditioning? If not, let me tell you. First of all, we get to know the father of air conditioner. His name is John Gorrie, the one who laid the foundation for modern air conditioning and refrigeration. The story began in the 1840s. He proposed the idea of cooling the cities to relieve residents of the evils of high temperatures. Gorrie believed that cooling was the key to avoiding diseases like malaria and making patients more comfortable. But his rudimentary system for cooling hospital rooms required ice to be shipped to Florida from frozen lakes and streams in the northern United States. And to get around this expensive logistical challenge, Gorrie began to experimenting with the concept of artificial cooling. He designed a machine that created ice using a compressor powered by a hose, water, wire-driven cells, or steam, and was granted a patent for it in 1851. Although Gorrie was unsuccessful at bringing his patented technology to the marketplace, primarily due to the death of his chef financial backer. His inventions laid the foundation for the modern air conditioning and refrigeration. He is Willis Haviland Carrier, who is also known as the father of air conditioner. He was born on November 26, 1876, in the state of New York, U.S. As a child, he had an ability of good concentration and preferred practice than theory. His first mission in the company was to design a heating system to warm up lumber and coffee. And in Buffalo Forge, Carrier established the first industrial experimental lab in the world. Carrier's primary purpose was to provide specific knowledge for engineers to understand why the machines stopped operation and proposed proper solutions. Because he believed that once people started having more knowledge, the cooling method was significantly improved. In the late 19th century, the definition of air production has started to refer. In Carrier's time, the cooling technology had not achieved any noticeable innovation. It was simply a ventilating system. Once he put all his mind to resolve issues, he would not let anything else distracting his thoughts. And finally, an air conditioner model was built and brought into operation by Carrier on July 17, 1802 at Buffalo. The system included two main ducts, one for air cooling and another for supplying humid air. Next, we jump into the journey of improvement and the air conditioner in life. About improvement, in 1906, Carrier received a patent and continued researching cooling issues and controlling humidity. By then, the temperature and humidity controlling system contributed to the development of various industries. In 1913, he developed a humidifier in one room, such as an office or a lab, and the first air conditioner unit installed in gatehouse was 10.1 meter high and 1.8 meter wide and 7 meter long. And from the 1817 to 1830, cinema was the only place where people could enjoy the cooling air from the air conditioner. And in 1922, Carrier continued to have two innovative breakthroughs for the air conditioning industry. From 1924 to 1930, it witnessed the popularity of air conditioners to many office buildings. However, the era of air conditioners had not yet come. The expensive installation fee had made air conditioner becoming a luxury equipment. An air conditioner literally changed American society at that time. In July 1960, a reporter from Saturday Evening Post claimed that a revolution in air cooling. The size of an air conditioner became smaller. Its selling price rocked. The manufacturers started to conquer households, automobiles. And the most surprising thing was how the birth of air conditioners made a significant impact on American society. The arrival of the air conditioner has shortened the gap range of seasonal birth rate. Moreover, the air conditioner also changed the face of America, especially in the Sun Belt, the south of the states. This air cooling machine took a contribution to the victory of Ronald, a Republican presidential candidate. The majority of Americans migrated from the north to the south due to the air conditioners, who was mostly old people. American cities began to adapt to the development of air conditioners. And every utility has a price to pay. The air conditioner was accused of being a dangerous air polluter because it was very similar to a refrigerator containing a refrigerated gas. And in phonics, research indicated that the outside temperature was up by 1 or 2 degrees at night. And that would not stop the air conditioner in Carrier's name continued conquering the world in the century. Although there are good points and bad points as well, but I feel so grateful because this invention, an air conditioner, it gives me a good sleep every night. And to be a smart consumer, I would turn it off whenever there's no need to use to reduce the air pollution. That's all. Thanks for your listening. Have a good day.